How to fix drive D is not showing up in my computer. Okay, sometimes when you finish up installing a new operating system on your computer, you might find when your drive D is not showing up. So in this video, I'd like to show you how you can show the disk up so that you can fix the problem. Okay, without waste of time, let me start. At first, right click on this piece icon and then select manage. If you don't have this piece icon on your computer, just click on start and then here type in this PC, right click and then select manage option. Click on disk management. Here's the drive that is not showing up. The reason why it's not showing up is that it doesn't have the letter. Now right click on it and then here select drive letter and path. Now undersign the following drive letter. Click and select the data that you would like to use. After that, click on OK. Done. Now you can see the drive is now showing up. So that's how you can fix drive D is not showing up on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.